Blessings, guys, and welcome back to Jamaica. As you know, it's the summertime, and for most countries, it seems as if traveling will be open in some way or the other. For Jamaica, persons are traveling to Jamaica. However, when you travel to Jamaica, sometimes you want to get away from the hustle and the bustle of the big resorts. You want to find that perfect hideaway, that piece of island paradise for yourself, you know. Well, today, guys, we're at the beautiful Brown's Guesthouse in St. Thomas. All right, and I will be showing you around this guest house. Trust me, peeps. I want the place. I'm gonna show you different, beautiful gardens, beautiful sea view, beach, and the rooms, peeps. The staff has been doing a very good job here. So, with no further ado, I'm gonna watch the intro and let me take you all around. Alright?
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I'm just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Guys, that's the sea view down there. Beautiful palm trees, separate buildings, each building has, I think, 4 rooms. Alright, so let me show you one of the rooms, guys. Alright, as you notice, these rooms have grills, so you're safe. You have one bed here, and there's another there. You've got a kitchen, but first let me show you outside here. You've got a back area. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. There's a lot of door. You've got the back area here. Now, this is the kitchen, guys. You get a stove, microwave, and a fridge. Alright. Now, these are the stuff that are not provided by the hotel. Alright. Yeah, peeps. So move on. I'll notice you get a very nice size bed. You get fan, and every room has AC. Alright, guys, now this is the bathroom. I love the tile, beautiful tiles. The bathroom tile, but as I told you guys, this place is clean. I got some place and some like guest house, not 5-star hotels, guest house, and it's not all that clean. This place is clean. The staff here does a very great job. Alright, so we're gonna move on and I'll show you the rest of this guest house. Alright, guys. Yeah, guys, so that's the guest house up there, and this is the back of the guest house. So you see, it's a beautiful view, guys. Forgive my voice, but my sinus step on me. I have an allergy issue. Yeah, it's very great view. Yeah, guys, as you know, this is a sponsored video. I should be speaking with the owner, Mr. Brown. I actually spoke to him last night when I got here, but because of my allergies right now, I'm not comfortable like interviewing someone and sniffling and all of that, because the stigma there is when it comes to sniffling and sneezing, even though I'm not sneeze. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I will be showing you the full background of the guest house. If there's a possibility where I can get to show you guys another room, I will do that also, but I won't be doing any interviews. Alright, so yeah, we can move on. Let me show you all of that.
up on track.